But we got our act together and we trained in every weather and we bought performance-enhancing drugs that's known as EPO. Now you've heard of Lance Armstrong and you've heard of Ben Johnson and you've heard of Michelle Smith de Bruin and Michael O'Reilly. Now you know, but says I to the boys, we will give this stuff a try, and we quickly found improvements from taking EPO. Now the first year we played Junior B, we had some massive victories, 57 and 73 points and one day by 104 goals. Then we got to the final and that night we were dining on sandwiches and sausages washed down with EPO. Well, in the next few years of playing the game, we met more fortune and more fame. Junior A and intermediate, on to senior we did go. Oh, every man and every woman, sure they knew us in the burn. We were called the Magic Mountain Men, all thanks to EPO. We were all on the county team, sure I'd fulfill my boyhood dreams. I'd handle Henry Shefflin in my sleep each day, you know. Holy Ching or Joe Canning or even Sean O'Halpine, sure they didn't have a hope at all. When I took EPO, I was stronger than a bullock. I was like a man from Mullock. I was fast and I was skillful. My confidence was never low. I was always on the telly. I was courting Halle Berry. Well, she thought I took Viagra. She didn't know about EPO. Well, I won 18 All-Ireland, All-Stars and Munster finals when we hurled against Tippercork. I put on a mighty show. I gave some drugs to me sister and brother and me father and me mother, and we won Ireland's fittest family 9 years in a row. But alas, this is the saddest verse. The side effects were quite adverse. I grew big ears and bigger lips and also a big nose. I got breasts like Dolly Parton and a bum like Linda Martin. And me hair has alopecia from taking EPO. Well, me case was investigated and me face got castigated. I was forced to make a confession on the Miriam O'Callaghan show. Oh, the journalists got great rewards. I'd to hand back me medals and awards. Away went Halle Berry now. Oh, come on, ye boys now wanting for to strive for fame or for the Sunday game or on GABO. Oh, practice all your hurling skills. Don't be taking any pills. Eat pasta and EPO.